All right, good morning. So today we're going to be doing a little how-to video on how to replace the windshield wipers on a GMC Yukon XL. And this is the same procedure for a lot of automobiles, trucks, SUVs, and cars as well. And so there's several different styles. The one style I'm going to show you right now. So you got to lift the wiper up off the glass. And with this style right here, if you guys can see that, there's a tiny little tab that you lift down. So what that is, inside of here, there's a little button. So when you lift that, when you press that down, it releases that button, and then you just grab it and slide this whole thing down. So let's try to get that going here. So I'm going to press down on the little tab, straighten the windshield out, and then just firmly press down. It takes a little bit of pressure, but then it just slides out just like that. And so there it is right there. We're going to be replacing them with the Bosch Spectrum Direct Fits. And we're going with the beam style just because they're a little more durable and you actually get a better wiper with it compared to this style, which is just the standard style. It's got the framing on it. And then, as you can see with these, let me get it out of the package right quick. This is a beam style. You see it's just a solid beam. And so with this, you got, there's a lip right here, and it helps to direct the water off of it, when with these factory ones and standard ones that aren't the beam, a lot of times when they're cleaning, they're kind of pressed over, but you'll get a lot of water that comes back over the top of this as the wiper is making its pass over the windshield. And same thing when it's coming back, you'll get water that kind of builds up and goes over it. So with these, this one will just snap right in. You just kind of fit it in there. There's a little groove, and you'll hear it. It's a nice positive click, and that's it. And it's the same for both sides. Let's see, same length. So, all right. So we're gonna do the passenger side, and like I said, it's the same thing for the passenger side. And so this is just the snap-on type. There's no button underneath, when this one has a little bitty button. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out. Have a good day.